Hello guys, this is Brian again from Woxo. Today I'm gonna show you a new feature that we've been working on. I am so happy because this is one of those features many of you have been requesting and waiting for. It is to add voiceover to your videos. It is so cool because now you can add your beautiful voices to those videos. Let's start. The first things you have to do is have your recordings ready. So, record yourself, say what you want to say, and then save them to use it later, okay? The fun part, let's go and edit out our video. Open our video settings here on the left part of our video, and under music you will see the new feature we have included, voiceover. It will automatically be deactivated, so we must click the activation button to use it. Time to use our recordings, okay? So let's go to upload and choose from wherever you wanna upload your assets from, okay? So in my case I wanna choose my files and look for it. It is ready now, so let's just select it and fit it into our video, okay? Now let's test it out, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about the top-rated family adventure holidays. The first place is whitewater rafting in Montana with thrilling white waters, rivers and surpass views. It works. It's so amazing. Well, I'm pretty sure your voice will sound so much better than mine. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoy this new feature as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know any comments, any suggestions, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.